In the quiet tapestry of time, where ambition often wrestled with despair, a figure named Liam once walked a path worn smooth by the ceaseless march of unfulfilled dreams, his days a monotonous cadence of effort without true yield, a silent testament to the struggle of countless souls ensnared in the invisible net of scarcity. He was a craftsman of intricate metalwork, each piece a miniature universe of dedication and skill. Yet his workshop, nestled in a forgotten corner of the city, echoed with the hollow clang of meager commissions and the whispered doubts of dwindling hope. Liam's hands, though calloused by tireless labor, seemed perpetually empty. His bank account, a stark reflection of a world that demanded much but gave little, leaving him perpetually adrift in the currents of financial anxiety. A man perpetually on the precipice of breakthrough, yet forever pulled back by an unseen force. He had tried every conventional avenue, from cutting costs to chasing every lead, but the elusive promise of prosperity remained just beyond his grasp, a shimmering mirage in the desert of his daily grind. And in the deepening shadows of his workshop, a gnawing question began to fester. Was this truly his destiny? An endless cycle of toil with no escape? One rain-swept afternoon, while clearing out his late grandmother's Attica repository of forgotten heirlooms and musty memories, Liam stumbled upon an unassuming leather-bound journal, its pages brittle with age, tucked away beneath a forgotten tapestry. It wasn't the kind of book one might expect to find. No grand family history or dusty ledger. Instead, its faded cover bore an intricate, almost hypnotic symbol, an ancient, geometric pattern that seemed to hum with a silent energy. Intrigued, Liam carefully opened it, and as the scent of aged paper filled the air, his eyes fell upon meticulous, flowing script detailing not recipes or anecdotes, but a series of esoteric principles, references to the universal current, harmonic resonance, and the ancient law of unseen magnetism. Methods strikingly similar to what modern spiritualists would term the law of attraction, yet presented with a profound, almost scientific precision that hinted at a much deeper, older wisdom. The author, a forgotten ancestor named Alistair Finch, chronicled his own journey from penury to profound influence, attributing his success not to shrewd business dealings alone, but to the deliberate application of these very principles. Alistair wrote of daily rituals, specific visualizations, precise affirmations whispered with conviction, the conscious cultivation of a feeling of profound gratitude for wealth yet to manifest, and the unwavering belief that the universe was an infinite wellspring ready to respond to one's vibrational frequency. Skepticism warred with a desperate curiosity within Liam. Could these ancient attraction methods, detailed in a century-old journal by a relative he'd never even heard of, truly be the key? Driven by an impulse he couldn't quite explain, a subtle stirring in his soul, he began to experiment. Each morning, instead of immediately diving into his work, Liam would retreat to a quiet corner of his workshop, close his eyes and visualize his ideal future. The bustling orders, the financial freedom, the profound joy of creating without constraint. He spoke affirmations into the silent air, not as empty words, but as declarations of an already existing reality. He cultivated a deep, burning gratitude for every small victory. Every unexpected phone call, every fleeting moment of peace. The shift was subtle at first, almost imperceptible. A long-lost client suddenly reappeared with a large order, crucial part for a complex project, seemingly impossible to source, materialized from an unexpected supplier. Liam felt a new energy, a quiet confidence replacing his chronic anxiety. He noticed opportunities he had previously overlooked, connections he hadn't seen. It was as if the universe, in subtle whispers, was now aligning itself with his newfound frequency. He realized that it wasn't about working harder, but about attracting smarter. The small wins snowballed. His custom metalwork began to attract a discerning clientele, not just locally, but from across the globe, drawn to the unique resonance and meticulous craftsmanship of his pieces. His small workshop transformed into a vibrant studio, humming with the energy of creation and abundance. Liam, once burdened by debt, found himself managing an impressive portfolio, his wealth growing not just steadily, but with an almost unstoppable momentum, far exceeding his wildest dreams. Started a grander studio, hired a dedicated team, and even began investing in promising young artists. his generosity a testament to the overflowing wellspring of his own prosperity. His life had become an undeniable monument to the power of ancient attraction, a testament to the truth that true wealth begins in the mind. Yet the most astonishing revelation was still to come. A twist so profound it would rewrite his family's history and cement the unbelievable power of the law of attraction. As Liam's fortune grew, he was prompted by an odd note in Alistair's journal, a cryptic reference to the true treasure. Hidden in plain sight, awaiting the worthy vibration, following a series of obscure clues. Embedded within the journal's pages alongside the attraction techniques, Liam was led not to a hidden vault of gold, but to a seemingly unassuming legal document, long forgotten in a dusty archive. This document, meticulously prepared by Alistair himself a century ago, detailed an ingenious, almost visionary investment strategy in nascent industries of the time, railroads, burgeoning energy sectors, and early technological patents, whose true value had remained dormant. Accruing immense wealth through generations held in trust by a series of obscure, long-defunct shell corporations, its existence predicated on the specific vibrational frequency that only a true practitioner of Alistair's methods would embody. The journal was not just a guide to attracting wealth, but the very key to unlocking an unimaginable ancestral fortune, a multi-generational legacy carefully structured to be attracted and inherited by a descendant who truly understood and applied the ancient principles of abundance. The wealth Liam had generated was not just new money, but the reactivation of a vast, forgotten empire, a fortune that had been silently waiting for a kin who possessed the precise mental and energetic blueprint to claim it. Alistair Finch, a forgotten master of ancient attraction, hadn't simply left a legacy of principles. It manifested an intergenerational inheritance, a financial empire designed to be found and claimed by the one who resonated with the frequency of true abundance, making Liam not just a success story, but the inheritor of a hidden destiny, a living testament to the fact that sometimes the greatest treasures are not acquired, but truly attracted.